The poem Wind by Subramania Bharati. Summary of the poem. In the first four lines, we see that the poet Subramania Bharati tries to give the wind instructions like not to break the shutters of the windows, not to scatter the papers, not to throw down the books on the shelf. But in the next few lines, we get to read that the poet is shocked to see the mess the wind has caused. It threw all the books down, it tore the pages, and brought rain. The poet sarcastically tells that the wind is very clever at playing pranks on weaklings. The meaning of weaklings is weak things, like frail. Frail means delicate or very weak. Frail, crumbling houses, doors, rafters, wood, and also weak, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, and crumbling hearts. He continues to say that the wind god winnows, the meaning of winnows is separates and crushes them all. He realizes that the wind god won't do what we tell him. We can't control him, but instead we need to befriend him by joining the doors firmly, by practicing to firm the body and making the heart steadfast. He ends the poem by saying that the wind blows out weak fires but makes strong fires roar and flourish, and we need to praise him every day. Meaning of the first four lines of the poem. In the first four lines, we see that the poet is telling the wind to come softly. He instructs the wind not to break the shutters of the windows, not to scatter the papers, and not to throw down the books on the shelf by blowing strongly or violently. The meaning of the next four lines. The poet expresses his anger in line 5 of the poem by saying, "Look what you did," as the wind didn't follow his instructions. It threw all the books down and tore the pages. Clouds are carried or blown away from one place to the other by the wind. Meaning of the lines 9 to 12. The poet is seen telling the wind that it is very clever at playing pranks on weaklings, that are weak things. He says that the wind god winnows, that means separates, and crushes frail, that is delicate, crumbling houses, houses that are not strong, crumbling doors, those that are not fixed firmly, crumbling rafters, that is weak roofs, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, and crumbling hearts, that means weak-hearted people. Meaning of the next 6 lines, that is line 13 to 18. In the 13th line, the poet realizes that the wind will not listen to anybody and will not do what we tell it. The poet advises all of us to build strong homes, to join the doors firmly, to firm the body, and to make the heart steadfast. Meaning of the last 4 lines. The poet continues to say that the wind blows out weak fires but helps strong fires to roar and flourish. He agrees that the wind is friendly and its friendship is good. He ends the poem by saying that we praise the wind god every day, which means that we need it as it's very essential for our life. The life skills we learn from this lesson are perseverance, steadfast spirit, brave, friendly natured, endurance, etc. Thank you.